You know, a couple hours out here on the high water, I'll take it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Gold Hunter 77 here, live and in action, baby. Thank you for coming along. So today, I want to check out the river again, which I haven't been to in some time because the river is all blown out and flooded out, but the gold is so good up here when it's lower that I figured there's got to be something on the high banks. You never know. It's a nice sunny day, so let's give it a try. Whoa! Yeah, there was a slip. It's all about hanging on to the trees. Woo! Man, it's muddy. It's twice. Bedrock all the way up in here. Kinda makes me wonder. To come over here and dig this out a little bit. It's like concreted cobbles in there on top of bedrock, about as high as you can get. It's hard to say, so I got about a half a bucket. We'll go ahead and run that.
Saborio, sinaebi sa kiyo, sikoyo moni, naibi, nakimi, papapori, basukorio, suwanga yun, yambaro.
Well, I'll be damned. Look at that right there, baby. Woo! There's a little flake. I wasn't expecting that at all. I've seen another one down here somewhere. So, wow, okay. That gets me excited. All right, you know, I'm getting color. It's not as good as the summertime, obviously, but I didn't go up here with high hopes, and I really didn't expect much of anything. So, I'm seeing a little bit of color here and there, so this is pretty cool. Enough to keep me going. So, right here is exactly why you want to bring a pry bar of some type every time you come out. Okay, I got that big rock out of there, small boulder, whatever, 100-pounder probably, and got myself about a half a bucket. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pump it out. This is a really good spot. There's a little hole there where that rock was, so I can take my pump it out. So it's always a great idea to bring your hand dredge. They call them yabby pumps. They work great. So and before I forget, I want to give a special shout out to Josh and Jonathan. Those are my nephews that, thanks guys for starting this hole for me. I'm pretty sure I found your spot. And you're right, there's a little gold here, so nice sunny day to get it. So I might, you know, dink around in here a little bit, get in between that moss, bust some of that open. All right, here's our results for our painstaking efforts. A little bit of gold down there. There we go. A couple 3-4 nice flakes. Well, for today anyways. A lot of micro on there too. I'll tell you, those bigger flakes, every one of those came from the pump. Every one of those. I watched it happen from the top layer of my bucket. So those pumps, they really work. If it wasn't for that pump, I'd have nothing but micro and smaller stuff. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this episode. Thank you for coming along. I know it's something a little bit different, but in the wintertime, that's what it is. You got to get out and do something. So for a guy like me, I'm happy just to find color. If you're in this for the money, you got the wrong hobby. Till next time, guys.